Hey guys, it's Erin aka StrawberriChan and I'm back with another video. And I'm wearing my witch's hat. Yeah, I have a witch's hat. I got this at Whippy Goth weekend because I thought this would fit the theme of today's video. So today's video is another SpookyBox unboxing, and it is the season of the witch box. Can you see? Yeah, that's why I wore a witch's hat. And it's like slowly coming off my head. I really love witchcraft and I've always been interested in witches, and I've got loads of books on witchcraft. I used to watch all documentaries on witchcraft. I want to be a witch. That's literally like Erin's dream, to be a witch. I am the K-pop witch at the minute. I'm the K-pop goth witch of the interwebs. But yeah, so I am really excited for this box. I'm really like hyped for it. I really can't wait to see what's inside. So without further ado, let's get this open. Q-boo sort of letter. Ooh, okay, so there are some lovely things here. So the first thing I see is the pin, and oh my god, I love it. It is basically you get an enamel pin in every little box, and it says "Live Deliciously" collectible pin, and it's like silver. I like that. I love the ram's head and everything. That is just such a mood. I love it. Like, I love anything like that. That is so cool. I'll hold it up into the camera so you can see a bit better. It's really shiny too. It's nice and cold. I don't know what I'm gonna have to put. I'm running out of space to put my pins. Okay. But yeah, I love enamel pins. So the other thing I see is a necklace. Ooh, yes, I've been looking to get one of these. So I love these like moon necklaces. I've been seeing a lot online, but they're just really expensive. But oh my god, that is so pretty. Oh my god, I love it. I love moon, anything to do with the moon or anything. So that is just so nice. I love the silver. It's a shame that I can't get it to go that way because it would have been the boy, but I just love it. It's so pretty. It's nice and silver. They always do like a little necklace or something when you get a spooky box. I like that. Like, you always get a pin, sweets, and a necklace. That is like just a mood right there. But oh, it's so pretty. I love that. I'm going to put that on my little necklace hanger that I have here. So what else have we got in this box? So I see some sweets. I like sweets. Yes. Oh my god, yes. So we have a little heart lollipop, which is like so cute. I love that, and it's pink to match my hair. Thank you, SpookyBox, you actually got it to match my hair. And love hearts. Who doesn't love a love heart? I like binge eat these. I used to binge eat these when I was younger. But yes, we got love hearts and a little heart-shaped lolly, which is really cute. I love that. That is such a mood. Like, we have some earrings, but I can't wear earrings. Oh my god, and they're so nice. Oh, I really want to wear them. Maybe I should just get my ears pierced again. But the thing is, I just don't like getting my, I'm just fiddly with my ears. Like, this is a girl who's tattooed as well. She's like, can get tattooed, but she's fiddly with ear piercings. Can't relate. But yeah, I'll give those to my mom because she has her ears pierced. She'll be like, yeah, do you want some cool ass necklace earrings? I mean, do you want some cool ass earrings? Because Erin can't wear them, sadly. Oh, so this is a moon tarot card art print. Ooh, I really like that. I don't know where I'm going to put it. I might put it on my wall because I need some space to fill. So I might put that on my wall. That is so pretty. I love the moon and I love the bones and the colours. That would make a really cute tattoo. Maybe I should get that as a tattoo. It would look really nice. But yeah, and it has like spooky written underneath too. That is really nice. I like that. That's cool. And I can hold it like that and be like, yes, look at my giant tarot card. Okay, so I'm gonna untake this out. Okay, so I think this is like a little makeup bag, purse, I don't know. No, I thought there might have been something inside. Erin always is like, is there anything in? Okay, so this is like a little makeup bag. Just like the moon, I go through phases. That is so mood. I love it. It's got this nice silver, like sort of shiny sort of look to it. I love that. I love the black and silver like complement each other. It has a little SpookyBox thing there too, so I really like that. Thing is, I have a lot of makeup bags, so I don't know where I'm gonna like what I'm gonna put in here, but I'll put something in here. I don't know what it'll be, but it'll be something in here. But I love it. And it's a really nice tautey fabric too, which is cool. I love that. That is all the mood right there. But yeah, I really like that. It's nice. Just like the moon, I go through phases, and it's got the same print on. It's quite big actually. I wasn't expecting it to be that big. I thought it was going to be tiny. But I like, it's like in this really nice shopper style, so if you are going shopping, it's very handy to have on you. Again, I love the print, I love the wording, I love the moon cobweb combo going on here. It is so cool. I love that. I will probably be using this quite a lot because it's just like, just hang on, let's have a look. Oh yes, definitely. I'll definitely be using that. So yeah guys, that was the SpookyBox Season of the Witch. I really like wearing this hat. I should wear this hat more often. Should Erin wear her witch hat more often in videos? Comment below. But yeah, so yes guys, that was my SpookyBox unboxing of Season of the Witch. I hope you guys liked it. There was a SpookyBox, there's like so many good things in it. Like it's actually really cool that you can get so many different things. Like I've got the neck warmer that I had in one of my boxes. I use like all the time when I go outside. It's like one of my favorite things. And I wear a lot of the necklaces and stuff, and I do eat a lot of the candy they have. So it's like, yay. Okay. So if you do like the video, please give it a like. That'd be awesome. If you do love it, please subscribe to me. Yeah, and if you don't like it, poo you. Why watching the video? Go eat Pocky and ooh, smile. I had a hiccup there. So yeah, and if you don't like it, yeah, I did say that, didn't I? Yeah, I did say. I'm just going through if I could remember what I said. I'm having one of them days again. So yeah, guys. Yeah, I will see you in the next video, which is coming out soon. So I'll see you in a bit. Bye bye.